Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 10 and the name of the unit is water. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is not a way to store water? Reservoir, paper bag, bucket, bottle. And the answer is paper bag. Which of these is not a form water can take? Snowflake, ice cube, rain, salt. And the answer is salt. Which of these things need water to survive? Trees, humans, fish, all of these. And the answer is all of these. Which one of these statements is correct? Lakes carry water to the seas and oceans. Lakes and ponds carry salt to the seas and oceans. Rivers flow to the seas and oceans. Seas and oceans flow up rivers. And the answer is C. Rivers flows to the seas and oceans. Which of these is not a way to get water from underground? Spring, well, pump, canal. And the answer is canal. Choose the right word to complete the sentences. We block flowing rivers with dams. Water comes to the surface in some places at a natural spring. Rainwater sometimes sinks into the earth. Sea water is salty. Think about it. How do we get water to the surface from deep under the surface of the earth? By pumps. Answer these questions. Why must we always drink clean and fresh water? To stay healthy. What happens to rainwater when it falls on the earth? Answer of this question is rainwater also enters the ground, so we dig wells to get groundwater. Question number 3 is where do we store water? We blocked flowing rivers with dams. Water can be collected and stored behind the dams. How many glasses of water do you drink in a day? 6 to 8 glasses. Here are some differences in summer and winter. Make a list of ways in which you use water. Compare your list with the list of other in class. Talk about uses and how use water responsibly. We need water for different uses like drinking, cooking, washing, bathing and for plants.